when you forget to hose your bloody kayak out properly, you've got a fish in it. Oh, geez, that stinks, eh? I only gave it a quick hose out the other weekend when I was out after getting a fish. Oh, that's gross. But I'm going to run a few pillies today, do a bit of trolling, see if a few mackerel are around. Water feels pretty cold at the moment, so I wouldn't say I'm overly hopeful, but you never know, there might be a few around. We're on the summit. I might have dropped him. Yeah, lost him. Oh, that one got hit too. Double whammy. That pilcher got smashed, the other one got hit, and I lost that one. Might throw a couple more on, do a bit of trawling around here, I think. This would be a good spot. Nothing yet? Yeah. Hey? I'm not sure, man. I lost both of them, so didn't even get a look. Yeah. Stacks of little bonito jumping everywhere, right? Heaps now. Just had a hit there. It's gone though. Yeah, lost that one. Man, running out of bait. Far out, only got one left. We go for some liveys, I think. Or I got a halco I can tow for a bit, I guess. Wind's dropped off too, which is nice. It's gone really still. Don't know how long it'll last, but we'll see. Nice. Yeah, they're definitely liking the pink this morning. The old pink skirt's doing the damage. Oh yeah. Damn it, all right. That one's tangled. I think potentially could have a fish on there too. Someone had to go at him too. Yeah, man. There's one bonito. Someone had a lash at it too, eh? There's a bit of a chunk out of the back of him. See if we can get this other one in. Oh yeah. Yeah, there's plenty of them around, man. A matching pair. Might keep one. One got bitten by someone and had a good lash at it anyway. Let him go. He's off. Well, I'm going to wrap it up there, I think. A little bit of action out there this morning, plenty of hits. Ended up using all my bait. I think they're all bonito though, so managed to catch a couple. And that's about it, unfortunately. So if you're liking what you're watching there, hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next vid. Catch you.